Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chanel IQ Cars 2.0. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the legend itself, the 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle. A car that defined an era and still turns heads today. Let's dive into what makes this classic so special. Car details. This is the 74 Super Beetle, an upgrade from the standard Beetle with a McPherson strut front suspension, making for a smoother ride. Under the hood, well, in the back we've got a 1.6L air-cooled flat 4 engine pushing 48 horsepower. Simple, reliable, and packed with personality. Exterior. The Super Beetle keeps the iconic curves we all love but stretches things a bit. The wider stance and curved windshield make it look slightly more refined than its predecessor. And check out those chrome bumpers, pure nostalgia. Interior. Step inside, and it's a minimalist dream. No unnecessary distractions, just classic vinyl seats, a simple dashboard, and that unmistakable Beetle smell. It's basic, but that's the charm. Comfort level. Alright, let's be honest, luxury wasn't the Super Beetle's mission. The seats, functional. Legroom, decent. Ride quality, improved over the standard Beetle, but you'll still feel the road. But hey, that's part of the experience. Performance. Engine revs, shot of the Beetle cruising down the road. Host. Alright, it's no speed demon. With 50 horsepower and a 4-speed manual transmission, it takes its time getting up to speed. But what it lacks in power, it makes up for in personality. It's lightweight, nimble, and honestly, just plain fun to drive. Conclusion. The 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle isn't about speed or luxury, it's about character, nostalgia, and that undeniable cool factor. If you want a car that turns heads and makes you smile every time you drive it, this is it. What do you think of the Super Beetle? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more classic car content. See you next time.
Press B.